Hey, what's up guys? This is Marvin Baclaan from BSc in Social Studies. So in this video, I will going to teach you on how to perform my circuit training plan. Lunge exercise. The first step how to do a lunge exercise is step 1. Start in a standing position with your feet hip width apart. Step 2. Step forward longer than a walking stride, so one leg is ahead of your torso and the other is behind. Your foot should land flat and remain flat while it's on the ground. Your rear heel will rise off on the ground. Step 3. Bend your knees to approximately 90 degrees as you lower yourself. Remember to keep your trunk upright and core engaged. The last step is forcefully push off from your front leg to return to the standing position. The second one is high knees. To do high knees, the first step is start standing with feet hip distance apart. Second is lift right knee as high as it will go and raise the opposite arm. Then switch quickly so left knee is up before right foot hands. Continue pulling knees up quickly for as long as desired. The third one is jumping jump. Step 1 is stand upright with your legs together, arms at your sides. Step 2, bend your knees slightly and jump into the air. Then, as you jump, spread your legs to be about shoulder width apart. Stretch your arms out and over your head. Then lastly, jump back to the starting position. Then repeat. The next one is dips. Step 1. Sit on your chair or bench with your arms at your side and your feet flat on the floor, hip distance apart. Step 2. Position your hands so that your palms are down beside your hips. Your fingers should grip the front of the chair or seat. Step 3. Move your torso forward off the chair with your arms extended. Your buttocks should hover over the floor and your knees should be slightly bent. Your heels should touch the floor a few inches in front of your knees. The next exercise is the trunk twist. This exercise stretches your back, spine, and upper torso muscles. Slowly twist your torso to your right. Switch your hands and twist to your left. Then repeat 2 to 4 times. The next exercise is the squat exercise. Step 1. Stand with your feet a little wider than hip width, toes facing front. Step 2. Drive your hips back, bending at the knees and ankles and pressing your knees slightly open as you. Step 3. Sit into a squat position while still keeping your heels and toes on the ground. Chest up and shoulders back. Then lastly, strive to eventually reach parallel, meaning knees are bent to a 90-degree angle. The next one is the stairs up and down exercise. This exercise is simply stepping your legs up and down. One of the best examples of this exercise is climbing stairs. It is one of the best exercises when it comes to pure fat burn. Strengthening the lower body, toning the butt, thighs, calves, losing inches from those love handles and belly, and building great abs. With this, benefits the immense good it for your lungs and cardiovascular system. The last exercise that includes in my training plan is jumping rope. Step 1. Grab a handle in each hand and start with a rope behind you, so it's right at your heels. To get the rope moving, gently rotate your forearms forward and then your wrist to generate momentum and swing it overhead. That's all. Thank you for watching and God bless.